Down at the Mississippi River Valley with my dogs. There's Lobo. Black dog's Kurgan. This is clip 3. It's November 3rd. Probably getting close to 6 p.m. or so. The sun's getting ready to go down. It's absolutely beautiful. It's been snowing. Come along. Oh God, all that mud up there. I think we're gonna have to go around. It looks too deep for me to get by that way. Come on. You got a big wad of snow between your eyes there, homie. I see the potential for a good photograph if they'll just cooperate. There we go. See where both their eyes were illuminated? That'll make a good thumbnail. Down. No, don't be messing with me while I'm going down. Go on. Go on. What are you messing with? I love it in this spot here. Little small balancing rock structure. Kind of a deep pool here. I can get him to go in to get some of that mud off him before we work our way back to my truck. Lobo. Threw a rock in there, so he'll walk around and look for it. You're like, where's the stick? Sorry guys, it was a rock. Another pile of balancing rocks. The Mississippi witch, she's everywhere. So beautiful when the snow is sticky like this and it sticks to all the sides of the trees and the leaves. Gives everything kind of a fairy tale like quality to it. Just checking to see if there's any balancing stones over here. Nope. Yeah, we're going to take the trail back to my truck. Come along. This is Friday evening, November 3rd. I probably said that at the beginning of the video. It's about 30 degrees. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. On Saturday, November 4th, I go to St. Cloud. There's a tattoo convention there. My buddy's tattooing at, and he's going to finish up my abdominal tattoos, so I'm looking forward to getting that done. I'll shoot a quick video clip of it. My tapestry of pain is almost complete. I only have a couple areas of bare skin left to finish up on the back of my thighs. Nope, this way. Lobo. I don't know if you can see him. He's all the way through the trees. He chased a squirrel up there. Come on. Kurgan's right there waiting for him. Come on, Bo. Come on. Good boy. Did you lose track of us? Good boy. Don't be finding nothing dead to roll in, Kurgan. Kurgan's famous for finding dead stuff to roll in. It happens in several of my videos. Man, it is so beautiful with this fresh coating of snow. Come on. Nope. Nope. Up. Good boys. It's a steep hill. Well, it's about this point in the video where I say like, subscribe, and share. Hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button if you liked it a lot, and you'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Thanks for coming along. I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers to my channel and say thanks to all those who've been there for a while. Hooah. Bye. Come on, homie. What are you smelling? Bye.